Moynat, a Moynat unboxing. Moynat Mayank's unboxing. I'm really excited about this one, guys. This is good. Let's get into it. This just got shipped in, and I've been waiting to unbox it, to film and unbox it. So here we go. Okay. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a Shopaholic. I'm Moynat Maniac now, and today we're doing a quick Moynat unboxing from something I got from the store. If you guys remember my previous videos, we can talk about it in a second. I got from the store that just came in. They deliver, they ship worldwide, I think. So, hey. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay. So I went there. I tried a bunch of things for the sale. There were a bunch of sale items. I did a previous video on it. I think I did a shopping vlog. Maybe it's on TikTok. Maybe it's on here. Maybe it's on Shorts. Okay. I got this separate of that. So we're going to unbox this and talk about it. First, I'll do it on the TikTok. We'll be right back. Okay. This is from Moynat. If you guys remember a couple of weeks ago, maybe a month ago, I went to Moynat for their sale to check out the sale items. They had a 30% off sale on everything because they were getting rid of their collection. And then I also brought my pouch, which I got from the Railroad, which I love, and had it monogrammed. This is the pouch that I had monogrammed, which I did a video on and showed. It just came in. They shipped it back. Worldwide shipping. They have worldwide shipping for those of you that asked. Still don't have anything good to unbox this with. Hold on. Damn it. Talk amongst yourselves. Oh, this is exciting to put it in a little bag and a box. Okay, so here we are unbagging. This must be their new bag color because they usually do brown, I think. Little Moynat Paris unboxing. Wow, orange. Okay, little dust bag. So this is the pouch that I got last time. Oh. Okay, so that's the front. They always come with this like that, but it's this gold and black, right, pattern. It's like a metallic gold and black. So I had them do a metallic gold and black MB on it. Do we love? I love this. Oh, there's a little note to me. Moynat. Oh my God, it's like a handwritten note. Dear Mayank, we hope you enjoy your hand-painted personalization. Thank you so much for your patience and trust. The golden bronze color and black shadow of the monogram is a nice accent to you. Your Moynat pouch. Thank you for visiting us at Moynat South Coast Plaza. Warm regards. Thanks, my person. That's so sweet. You guys, this is a great company. They need more recognition, and they take really good care, and it's really nice, and it's good price point compared to Goyard or Louis Vuitton or anything else. And it's just pretty, and they have a whole new collection, and Louis Vuitton bought them, so they're probably gonna have more stuff coming out. And look at the attention to detail and sweetness. Ugh. And it's an M for Mayank. Moynat. Emily in Paris. Okay, so I got it out of the box. First of all, look at this. They sent it in a little bag, which I've never had a Moynat bag. It's orange now. I don't know if that's new. It's kind of the orange of Louis Vuitton, if you think about it, which, I have a Louis Vuitton box. One sec. Oh, it's right here. Okay, it's not exactly the orange of Louis Vuitton, but still. I don't know what their colors used to be. Anyway, so nice of them to do that. Also, they sent me a little letter. And look how cute it is. It's in cursive, and it says Moynat Paris, and it says my name, and then little envelope. It's the little things, right? How sweet is that? And then it's like a little thing on the back. Okay, so I kind of gave it away, but so I'll just go backtrack. So I ended up getting, remember I went to go look at the things. I didn't end up getting anything from the collection because I didn't love the trunk, even though it was 30% off with the stripe. I wanted it without the stripe and the red interior, and I asked if they could do that. They had the one without the red interior with no stripe, or the one with the red interior with the stripe, but I wasn't able to get red interior, no stripe, and I asked, and they said they couldn't do it, and they can't special it. So I was like, it's okay, I'll wait. But I went also get my pouch monogrammed, which I'm really excited about, which is what we got. Which was got back, and they packaged it so nice, and they put it in a little dust bag. I think it's an extra dust bag because I already had a dust bag. So anyway, this is really cool because I saw the process, and they just shipped it back to me, which I guess they do worldwide shipping, so that's good to know if anyone wants to. I know a couple of people are asking how to get it. You can literally just buy it and have it shipped to you, especially even the sale stuff. So anyway, this is what I got. It's my little pouch that I got from before from the Rail. It has the stripe on this side, which is I'm talking about the stripe that it always comes with, which I don't love, but now I can just wear it this way. And it's my initials, and I love it because it's M, like there's the M and the B of this, which is the bronze and the black, and then I got the same bronze and black put on top here so that it matches. It's not the exact same now that I'm looking at it close, but that's okay. And it like kind of blends in, but kind of pops, and it's monogrammed, and I love it, and I can put my pouch, put this in my other stuff, and I think it's great. And I was missing this pouch because I had the other pouches, and I wasn't able to use this pouch, so now we're gonna start using this pouch. But like, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And it was free. The personalization is free. Did I mention that? Free service. Moynat is very underrated. I think it's a really good company. People should look into it more. especially because it's like a little more affordable than Goyard, a little more different. Not everyone has it, and Louis Vuitton owns it now, so they're going to probably be doing a lot more. Price points might go up because of Bernard Arnault, but for now it's, you know, they did that sale where they sold all their previous styles at a discounted rate, so I would go check it out if you can. Yeah, I'm looking forward to using it. It's the same kind of canvas, same durability. They take such good care of you. They're very sweet and nice. They offer shipping, which Goyard doesn't. No, that's not true. Goyard does, but they're just a little more accommodating, I think. Smaller store, smaller house, older house, but it seems like they're more accommodating and more friendly than some other brands, let's say. Okay, anyway, yay, okay, that's all I got. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemy exes. I know your time's valuable. I know your time's precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.